This video explains how to use web map services to display map backgrounds. Map backgrounds provide context for your data. If the controller is connected to the internet, you can use georeferenced map images provided by a web map service. Before you start, your controller must be connected to the internet. You must know the URL to use for the service, and your job must have the same coordinate system and zone as the EPSG code selected for the web map service. EPSG codes define the coordinate system that goes with the imagery. On a new empty job, the map can get good default zoom extents in situations where the job's coordinate system has well-defined extents. My job has a UTM system, which is not well constrained, and so I will key in a point to get the map view positioned such that the WMS map can be displayed. To add a web map service, tap Layers, WMS, and then New. Enter the name for the service and the web map service URL and tap Enter. Wait while the software retrieves information from the service, including the EPSG codes. Select your EPSG code. Use the opacity control to make the background more transparent as required. If you want to use two web map services at the same time, for example to use one as a base map and one as a transparent layer on top of the base map, set the base layer checkbox for one and set Request Transparent PNGs for the other. Trimble Access saves the configuration information for each web map service in a WMS file in the System Files folder and is available for all projects to use. The WMS map you just configured can now be selected as a layer in a similar way to a DXF file. Tap the file once to make all layers visible, tap the arrow to display the layers and control them individually. Tap Accept and wait a few seconds for the map tiles to be downloaded and displayed. As you pan around, additional tiles are downloaded. If you pan around without changing scale, then previously downloaded tiles can be displayed without needing to be downloaded again. As soon as you change scale, new tiles are downloaded. The resolution of these map tiles is likely to change as you zoom in and out, showing more detail as you zoom in and less as you go out. All this is controlled by the web map service. Contact the web map service provider if you need help using the web map service. Web map services can provide valuable and up-to-date imagery real-time, helping with many survey tasks. For more information, visit the Trimble Access help portal. Thanks for watching.